Good morning, Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let me show you how we hook up a catch basin to a sump pump.
So water's collected from this small catch basin right here, and this thing's going to pick up water all day long. This will work great, save you thousands of dollars. We're just going to tie it into the sump basin, and the sump pump's going to lift it up and send it out.
Let me show you how easy it is to install a small 6x6 catch basin and connect it to the sump pump.
So we have an insert from the catch basin going into the sump basin. Then we have a catch basin that we're going to hook on. Snap it together, push it down in place, put our lid on, and we're ready to backfill. This is going to collect this water that pools up out here, and the sump pump's going to lift it up and send it out. A real great project for the do-it-yourselfer. If there's no sump pump available, of course you would have this pipe going to wherever it would discharge. Maybe it goes to the street, maybe it goes, to the curb, or maybe it goes to a natural area. But this little basin, they work so good. This is a round 6x6 basin. And the reason it's called a catch basin is because you can see my fingers, they're below the outlet of the pipe. So debris will sit down in the bottom and the water goes out through the pipe. Real great little project. I see a lot of videos that talk about using gravel and bringing that gravel up to the top. That gravel is going to get packed with grass and debris, and it will not function. You need a catch basin for your French drain. So you can see how simple this little $15 repair is going to work in this area right here. We've got a low spot, really bad. Water's just flooding here, staying here all the time when it rains. It's going to go into the catch basin. It goes over to the sump basin. It drops down to the bottom of the basin. The pump's going to lift it up, and then we're going to discharge. We haven't finished, but we're going to discharge this line, far away from here to the back side of that trench, and the water will go away. Real simple, something that you guys easily do. Easily do yourselves. Real quick note about how a sump pump works. You need something to collect the water. Notice how high this inlet line is coming from the small catch basin. It comes over. As water drops down into this pit, of course, then the float rises, comes up, kicks on, and then it discharges. As the water goes down, the float goes down, it shuts off. It works great, and it doesn't recycle. It's not burning out your pump, no matter how much water there is. However, if your inlet line is down here, you've got two lines. Say you got two lines coming in. You've got another pipe coming in, another pipe coming in. This is going to just cycle water constantly. You need a place for water to accumulate for it to work properly. Water coming in down here, that's just picking up groundwater. Your pump's going to run all the time. So be aware. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.